It is a demo on how to use the image kit sidebar to list images, share images, and embed images in cells. I have a demo folder here. I'm getting the folder ID. I'm gonna list the images first, and I can see the images here. And now I want to share the images. If I select viewer, I need to enter one or multiple email address that I need to share this with. Editor, the same thing. Commenter, the same thing. I need to enter an email address. Anyone with link, I requires sign in, so they need to have a Google account to see it. Or anyone with link, no sign in. I'm gonna use this option, and I'm gonna click share images in sheet. Okay, the images were shared. Usually it takes a bit for that to happen. And now if I copy this link and I'm gonna let's open a private window, an incognito window, the image is shared. And now I'm gonna click the embed in cells functions, and the image data will be embedded in the Google Sheet cell. The process has started, and if the image is flickers, it means that it's converted. As you can see, the link is no longer there. That's it for this demo. Thank you.